Welcome to Cire Development Center. Master Solar System Like a Pro. Brought to you by Eric Melato. Cire Trading and Projects is an electrical engineering company based in South Africa. The company is looking to bring a dynamic and robust approach in entering a highly controlled electrical engineering to ensure transformation within the energy sector. The CEO of the company is a dynamic and passionate individual who acquired enormous technical advanced skills in the electrical engineering industry. Mr. Eric Melato, as the CEO, have 12 years mining experience as electrical technician and 6 years as a wireman and electrical contractor, with a very impressive techniques and skills on PV systems installations, in possession of PV Green Card, which is SAPIA accredited and listed as one of the PV Green Card installers. Due to high demand of renewable energy, Cire Trading and Projects has introduced self-training modules and online support to prepare interested individuals to familiarize themselves with renewable energy, to acquire relevant skills that will help to minimize the recent crisis. Solar System Training Contents. Executive summary of this course. Basic Electrical. Basics of electricity will advance learners to acquire theoretical skills prior technical theory. Photovoltaic Fundamentals. Photovoltaic technical theory will help learners with skills development, particularly theoretical and practical skills, in the world of renewable energy. Photovoltaic Design. Learners will acquire relevant skills on how to calculate and choose appropriate components for all different types of solar systems. Assessment. Learners will be required to write a theoretical exam at the end of this course. Learners must achieve minimum of 80% required as a pass mark. Outcomes of this course. Learners will be able to do the theoretical and practical design of solar system. Learners will get certificate of completion. Learners will acquire skills on how to do technical connections of PV modules and batteries connected in series and parallel connections. Cire Development Center will do some illustrations for IV curve and PV curve under standard test condition of the PV module, whereby current decreases simultaneously with voltage increment until the coordination of maximum power current and maximum power voltage. This illustration will take place in correlation with power versus voltage, whereby voltage and power increases simultaneously up to the proximity to determine performance of the PV module. Photovoltaic Design. Learners will acquire relevant skills on how to calculate and choose appropriate components. Cire Development Center will illustrate photovoltaic or solar system diagram to educate learners on how to design all different types of solar system diagrams and technical installations. Theoretical assessment will determine the competency of each individual prior certificate of completion.